Mga salitang binitawan nitong dating bata ni Coach Tab Baldwin na siguradong malaking sampal para kay Commissioner Willie Marcial at sa PBA. Yan ay matapos mong i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon ay mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Last Wednesday nga mga bulero, alam naman nating maliban dito sa panalo na muling nakuha ng Magnolia this PBA season kontra Blackwater, sa araw ding yan, naging laman ang usap-usapan itong naganap na tapatan ng Northport at Converge. Especially na sa labang ito, unang nag-debut ang bagong import ng Fiber Xers na si Hamil Wilson na nakapagtala lang naman on that game ng 30 puntos at 13 rebounds.
I thought it was an awesome experience. We're still getting used to it. The team obviously implemented me in the past 2 days, trying to get accustomed. Guys are young. We're still trying to figure each other out. But we had some good stretches tonight, so it looks good for the future. I'll say that. I feel like at times we played with a lot of confidence, and then sometimes we didn't. And I think that hindered us. But I think as time goes on and we get more accustomed with each other, we'll get better, and we'll start to string some of these games together.
Pero sa kabila niyan, bigo pa rin ang nasabing koponan na maawi ang panalo sa araw na yan. Matapos rin kumanan ng bigating mga numero, etong import ng Batang Pierre, finishing the game with 39 big points at 21 rebounds. Kung saan sa ngayon, kasalukuyan ang nasa ika-6 na pwesto sa PBA standings ang Northport after silang makapagtala ng 4 wins at 2 losses na record.
Yeah, it's been tough, probably since the Magnolia game, just to rehab and prepare enough for each game. So we're just trying to find the perfect balance of getting it better, but put the work in that we need to win games. So we've got a tough stretch in the next 5 days. We've got 2 more games, but after that we get some break, and then I get to probably heal my hamstring. So I'm not worried about it. It's minor, but from the preparation standpoint, it has been difficult to practice and perform.
Samantala sa kabilang banda, bago nga natin malaman mamayang alas 8 ng gabi kung may pagpapatuloy pa ba ng Batang Pierre ang kanilang 2 straight victories dito sa magaganap nilang laban kontra SMB, ating silipin nga muna mga bulero etong ilan sa mga salitang binitawan ng dating bata ni Tab Baldwin na paniguradong malaking sampal para kay Commissioner Willie Marcial at sa PBA.